you have never eaten angled loofah, here's why you should try it. This vegetable is a staple in Asian cooking and is believed to have numerous health benefits. Let me share a very simple method to cook angled loofah with tofu, and this could even be an easy-peasy one-pot meal for your day. To start, get a young and tender angled loofah. It gets fibrous as it gets older, so make sure to choose carefully. Peel the angled loofah and cut it into thick slices. Also cut one piece of tofu into small pieces. Crush about 4 cloves garlic and mince them. Now heat up some oil in a pan. Fry the minced garlic until it becomes fragrant about 1 minute. Then add the sliced tofu pieces and saute for about 1 minute on medium heat. Now add the angled loofah pieces and stir fry 1 to 2 minutes. Add water as required and season with vegetable stock powder. Cover the pan and allow to cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. The angled loofah should be soft and slightly translucent when cooked. Switch off the stove and add salt to taste. Now the angled loofah and tofu soup is ready to serve. It is such an easy meal, and it is healthy, wholesome, and low calorie. I'm sure you will love making this simple dish over and over again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Happy cooking and happy eating.